Hi everybody, welcome to Historic Weston. I really enjoyed both working with Chris with the design and really picking out what's the layout of the house that we wanted, because it felt very tailored to, how we live and how we use our space.
Hey, I'm Chris Hunkley with Terminus Design Group, and I am the architect who helped Sydney and Mike with the renovation to this beautiful historic West End bungalow.
I would have to say I've got two favorite parts about this renovation. One is that I'm so thrilled that they chose to keep the original fireplace. It was a 4-sided fireplace originally, and they kept 3 sides of it, and each side's a little bit different, but it really adds to the historic charm of the home. From a monetary and investment perspective, I'm so thrilled for my clients, because when we talk about the cash in on this project, purchase of the price, the actual construction costs, and then the final appraised value after all the renovations, my clients came out super ahead, and it's been a fabulous investment. So I couldn't be happier for them.
My favorite part of this specific renovation, aside from just being a cool old bungalow in West End that was a duplex at one point, had been converted into a single family house. My favorite part was really just the challenge of incorporating the open concept with the division of spaces, which I think most historic properties have had. They were kind of designed in this way where it's very compartmentalized and every space was very small. But now obviously everybody wants the open concept living, and so what we really did here is we had a defined foyer space where you come in before it opens up into the living room and kitchen where we are right now. So having that division of spaces and little nooks where you can kind of get away from people and read or get on your laptop, I think those are important spaces.
As far as some of the unique touches that we chose to do in the house, we wanted to do a lot of custom woodwork. So we decided to add some beams going into the kitchen, as well as some framing around some of our entrances. And I thought that gave it a really nice custom touch, as well as kind of gave a little bit more of the natural vibe that I was looking for.
Part of the open concept really was, being able to see and do and live all in the same area. It was a big deal because, as she stated, we were in different planets originally at the other house. Here it's all together. We feel very close, and honestly, it's very conducive to the lifestyle that we have, just open and how we wanted it.